I am an out-of-state investor, and I help other people invest out of state. My market is Cleveland, Ohio. I specialize in tax sales. That's all I do. I have 2 projects that I'm wrapping up renovation to complete my flip, and I'm getting ready and amped up to participate in the February auctions. I'm looking for private money, I'm looking for partners who have cash, and I'm looking to have someone walk them through the process. I look forward to meeting all of you, and I want to also take this opportunity to say that this room is jam-packed with information. I personally do business with Juan and Omar with New York Life. They have been a great resource for me. I also do business with Lois and Legal Shield. They have been a backbone to some of the tough questions. People think that you pay money and then you forget about it. I'm getting my money's worth every month. So this is something that saves me in the long run. So I just want to vouch for those 2 services that I have used personally in this room. I look forward to meeting all of you. Thank you.
Marlon, how do we get a hold of you?
You get a hold of me. First of all, please come see me. But the best way to get a hold of me would probably be my Instagram, where you follow all of the projects and information that I learn and connect you with resources. And that's let's_cash flow. And you can find me there. Thank you.
Let's cash flow.